CataractCoach.com, the Hoffman pocket technique for Carlevale IOLs. You can make scleral pockets that do not require sutures. This is Professor Walid Zabiba. I had a pleasure of meeting him in his hometown of Tunisia, and my gosh, what an incredible surgeon. So here we can start off making a Hoffman pocket. Now you can see the incision starts off in the cornea and then goes outward towards the sclera. And because you're starting in the cornea here, you're not going to need any sutures to close this. So there's the crescent blade going in to make the pocket sufficiently deep. It's a half scleral depth pocket. You do the same thing on the other side as well. So again, starting there in the peripheral cornea and then going towards the limbus and then into the sclera. So these are scleral pockets, but they're made, instead of going from the transcon side or going from the sclera, you're going actually from the cornea outwards. And the beauty here is that you're not going to need any sutures to close this incision. So there you go. Nice double-ended Hoffman pockets, both sides. Now, Professor Zabiba is also a VR surgeon, so he's going to do a pars plana vitrectomy here. You can see placing the ports, pars plana, 3 ports, so a proper pars plana vitrectomy. And this patient has insufficient or no Zyner support, so the goal here is to place a new IOL, a Carlevale IOL. Now, the Carlevale lens, we do not have it in the USA. So for my American colleagues, my apologies, we're showing you something, again, that you are not allowed to have. And this is a lens that, it's a single piece acrylic lens, and it has built-in little kind of T flanges or T tips on the end of the haptics. I'll show you a video here coming up. And that allows you to place this and suture it or secure it to the sclera without doing other maneuvers. So you don't need to do Yamane. You don't need to burn the end of it with a cautery. You don't need sutures. Let me show you. Now again, here, you got a proper vitrectomy being done. There's that IOL that's very loose, a lot of pseudophacodinosis, basically dislocated. And now, again, expanding that whole IOL, it comes out beautifully. Lens is out. Now, going inside, finishing up, doing a good proper vitrectomy here. Now, obviously, you can see it's a proper 3-port pars plana vitrectomy, and that's important here. You don't want to have vitreous left behind. You certainly do not want to have vitreous entangled with the IOL. That'll put traction on the vitreous, could cause a detachment, could cause macular edema. You understand the concept here. So again, after this full pars plana vitrectomy is done, now you can fixate the lens. So again, here's the lens, the Carlevale lens, brilliant design. We do not have it in the USA. There it is. There's the lens. And you can see that it has little T haptics, T-shaped haptics on the ends. And you bring those through the sclera, and those are going to basically fixate this IOL. So again, putting it inside the eye, here it is. There's the Carlevale IOL going inside. Rotate a little bit. And now, let's get some forceps. And you can go through here and pull that haptic out. And so you have that little T-shaped haptic that's going to go inside your pocket. So when you pull that thing out of there, so they're grabbing the T end, now putting it underneath, use that handshake technique from one forceps to the other, grab it right where you want it, exactly. Now pull it through, and it's going to be inside your pocket. Remember that pocket that you made? So there it is out right there, but look now, go in through the pocket and pull it out. Let me show you again. Here's the other side. So grabbing that T-shaped haptic, and you can pull that outside, and it's going to end up being inside that Hoffman pocket that you previously made. That's just brilliant here. So again, pulling that through, there it is now. It's outside. You're not going to leave it here above the conjunctiva, I promise you. Here's what you do. You bring it inside, put it in, and now you pull each of those T haptics inside your scleral pocket. Do the other side as well. Look at it. Watch carefully. Look, look, look. Pulling the haptics in, the little arm with the T, and they go right there. Look at that, right there inside your pocket. Now you've got them hidden in that pocket, beautifully done. Lens is beautifully centered. Now just close up that main incision that you made, and you are done with the case. What a beautiful technique. I know my USA colleagues, we're not going to get this lens. We're just not. That's just the reality of being in the USA. Hey, check out CataractCoach.com, our teaching website, and also retinarounds.com. You know you love it.